This is going to be a short how-to video on how to reset the service light on a 2019 BMW X5. It's the G05 chassis. We're currently located inside the vehicle. We've got the key inside the vehicle. First thing you will do is push the start-stop button 3 times in succession, and all the dash lights will come on. They'll go out. Check control messages will come through, and the check engine light should be remaining. You're going to want to push the BC button on the stock until you get to this menu where you have the trip and the odometer. And then you will push and hold the BC button. You'll see the trip zero out. And then in a few seconds it'll return. This is real time. You do have to hold it for approximately 10 seconds. And then the service menu will pop up. You'll push the BC button again to cycle through the services. This vehicle is in for an oil service, so we'll select the engine oil. Push and hold the BC button again. Again, this is real time, so another about 10 seconds. Let go when the question mark comes up, and then push and hold again. And then once it says reset in progress, you can let go. And reset successful. All this must be done with the engine off as well as the hood being closed. Hope you found this video helpful.